the demanding world of utility maintenance, the right tool can be the difference between a smooth operation or a costly mistake. With this in mind, a major utility provider reached out to Additel, looking to optimize their workflow and modernize their field operations. They needed an instrument that was easy to use, intrinsically safe, and capable of handling a wide variety of tasks. Our solution? The Additel 685Ex digital pressure gauge. With its reliability, intuitive features, and fully customizable display, the 685Ex made an immediate impact on their daily workflow. Whether performing a pressure switch test, adjusting a regulator, or calibrating electronic pressure recorders, the 685Ex delivers lab-grade precision. By replacing analog gauges with a clear digital readout, technicians could be sure their measurements were accurate and reliable, even during low-pressure applications. But challenges in the field go beyond simple monitoring. The customer also frequently performed relief valve tests, where any pressure spikes must be recorded in a fraction of a second. Using the gauge's built-in peak feature, the technicians can automatically capture the maximum pressure the moment the relief valve cracks, ensuring the system is working exactly as intended. Safety was another major concern for this company, particularly during complex procedures such as a regulator bypass operation or when checking a domestic regulator for lockup and flow. In combination with being ATEX certified, the 685Ex features a built-in customizable alarm that instantly alerts technicians with visual and audio cues whenever pressure drifts outside of safe parameters. Lastly, the company was able to consolidate the amount of equipment that field techs required, thanks to the 685Ex's built-in leak test. When performing short-term house line leak tests, the timer can be set directly within the pressure gauge, with recordings saved locally on the device. During longer leak tests, such as on the main pressure line, the 685Ex can record all of its pressure values directly to Additel software, allowing technicians to seamlessly log data for up to 72 hours. The data can then be wirelessly exported to calibration reports and snapshot emails, retiring the need for any manual recording devices like stopwatches or chart recorders. By integrating the Additel 685Ex digital pressure gauge into their everyday operations, this utility provider was able to streamline their processes, modernize their equipment, and simplify their employee training, all while adhering to strict safety standards. To learn more about the Additel 685Ex and other amazing calibration products, please visit our website at additel.com.